is Angel from Stewberries, and today we are going to be making some delicious and easy party dip, which you can really eat anytime. It only takes 3 ingredients. The first one is shrimp, obviously. We're making shrimp dip, so you need the shrimp. The second one is Philadelphia cream cheese, or you can use any brand of cream cheese. I'm partial to Philadelphia cream cheese. And then the last one is this bruschetta sauce from Trader Joe's. It has tomatoes and olive oil. This stuff is delicious on a lot of different things. You can put it on an omelet. It's just goodness in this little jar. So let's get to the dip. First thing you're gonna do is, I mixed this cream cheese up where I whipped it where it's kind of smooth. And I'm using this big, huge container from Costco. However, you can just use the brick, and I just massage the packet. So we're gonna be putting about 8 ounces of cream cheese down here on this plate, and you want it to have some dips and grooves. You don't want it just a flat bank of cream cheese. You want to kind of spread it out and make it visually appealing. Nobody wants to eat ugly food, just letting you know. So putting this down, just about 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm kind of just spreading it out and making some peaks and some valleys. Okay, kind of like that. Beautiful. There you go. Add a little bit more over here. And cream cheese, step 1, check. All right, the next thing we're gonna be adding is some shrimp. And these are fully cooked small shrimp. They're called salad size, already ready to go. They're cooked. All I did was them off, and I'm gonna add them to the salad. And don't be stingy with the shrimp. Okay, this is a party. This is about 1 pound of pre-cooked shrimp. And then we're just gonna come in with our bruschetta sauce and just put this bruschetta sauce right on top. And you want all that juicy goodness, okay? Don't be stingy, because you want this bruschetta sauce to run all throughout the cream cheese. See how it's running down the side? Goodness coming through. And you want to see some of the shrimp so people know there's shrimp in there. You know, allergies are serious business these days. Okay, and there you go. I like to serve my shrimp dip with Milton's gluten-free crackers. Got this huge bag from Costco. They also sell them at Safeway.